This Daniel looks spent, lethargic, foggy, and clearly his drive is gone. And this time around, coffee will not be able to come to his rescue. The thing is, for years, Daniel woke up more tired than he went to bed. You almost cannot fault him. He was doing everything right, providing for his family, working an average of 60 hours a week. What's more, Daniel would hit the gym when he could, doing everything he knew was right by the books. So he thought, trying his best to fit the perfect picture of the ideal modern man. But every day felt heavier, his patience wearing thin, stretching him to his elastic limit. And that was the day he realized this wasn't just stress, something was deeply off. Since the 1980s, average testosterone levels in men have dropped by 1% every year. It's not just about aging, it is about a combination of stress, poor sleep, and processed food messing with your biology. We carry on our normal lives thinking everything is okay, patronizing the fast food joints and feeding a mom. If only we knew the micronutrition deficiency dangers many of them offered, we would have a rethink. Mix that processed junk with caffeine abuse, and you're riding on a blood sugar roller coaster every day. Low levels of vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin B12 are energy killers, and most men are running on empty. Low T means low energy, a low motivation, and a very poor vibe. A man named Mike experienced this firsthand. He wrote off his exhaustion as just getting old until the doctor revealed his testosterone was critically low. This diagnosis was a turning point for Mike, providing a clear biological explanation for his struggles. A condition tearing many families today, where your partner no longer gets the satisfaction she deserves on the pitch and off the pitch. Have you heard of the saying? Burnout is for the weak, hustle is for the strong. Guess what millions of men will do? The careful ones will sip. You care for your ignorance? Go. The sad reality is, burnout is not a personal failure. It is an occupational phenomenon. Everyone must shape up and meet up to keep getting paid or get booted out. You see, the World Health Organization officially recognizes burnout as a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion from prolonged stress. High stress professions like software development see a staggering 79 to 83% of developers reporting burnout. At times, we've only got ourselves to blame. Yes, we stay up late to finish work. Like that isn't enough? Continue at home. Yes, on the phone. Doom scroll in bed. And if you snore, oh my god, it's like a faulty tractor. And you wonder why your partner complains on the slightest issue when you barely got time for her. Don't let this smile fool you. The mental load is real. To make matters worse, we don't talk about it. We carry on daily, like everything is okay. Think about it. In most cases, the man is the provider, the fixer, the strong one, but deep down, a hollow, empty shell of himself. Mark was a 62-year-old ex-military man who never talked about his feelings. He was bottling up the stress, anxiety, and pressure, but it never made it go away. It only made him more exhausted. One day, he forgot his son's recital. He broke down, not with anger, but with tears. Tears he had forgotten how to shed when he lost his dear wife 20 years ago. Do not try to fix everything overnight. Take little steps. You see, having a consistent sleep routine is a great starting point. Several studies have shown that less than 7 hours of sleep will cause 10 to 15% drop in testosterone. Then your guess is as good as mine as to what 7 to 9 hours of sleep will do for you.
Honestly, why wait for the doctor to sniff out the root cause of an already deteriorating situation?
It's like you have regular medical checkups done for your blood pressure, diabetes screening, prostate cancer test. Aha, the colon screening test being your first shy away from. You can also have your teeth checked out. For many men, The start of their transformational healing began with the strength to talk, you know, a heart to heart talk with trusted friends, their dear loved ones, with a physician. You see, you may take all the medications in the world, the injections, capsules, or tablets, sleep all you can, but if your meal is deficient in the essential nutrients, you ain't going nowhere, my friend. Shockingly, scores of men that struggle with low energy are deficient in vitamin D, vitamin B12, and magnesium. Eat, man. Eat. Guys, eat like your life depends on it. But eat with sense. Your body needs the food to produce the physical and mental energy required to carry you through the day. Check out the video we have on simple natural sources for your optimum daily nutrient requirements. Many will not just listen to this last tip. For some, they are preoccupied, others will procrastinate, and some are waiting for the perfect moment they may never have to visit the gym that they have not registered with, ending up in the quagmire of their own decisions. Don't get me wrong, the gym is great. Seeing other people exercise will very much give you the drive, the motivation, the inspiration you need to keep up with your fitness and wellness goals. Beyond the sweat and heavy lifting, the gym is where strangers become spotters, and spotters could become lifelong friends. But when you do not have the time, 20 minutes to 30 minutes walk a day is fine. Even better when under the vitamin D nourishing sun. Combine that with some squats, and you are very much on track, especially if you have a dumbbell to complement with. The touching story of Daniel, the disappointments of Tony, the struggles of Mike, and the travails of Ralph are not unique. No, they're not rare. They are the stories of millions of men. Honestly, you're not broken. You have only been running solo for far too long. Now is the time to rebuild with the right amount of rest, honesty, and strength. Because the world needs more men who are whole, not just stuff, but real. Good health to you. Follow us for more. Hit the subscribe button so you get notifications when more updates drop.